We're back and better than ever. We're still learning how to write and name ionic compounds with polyatomic ions in them. Let's go and scroll back up to the top here. Looks like we can fit them all into one page here. Beautiful. There we go. Remember, when you're naming ionic compounds, it is simply the cation name and the anion name. So in this compound, the name of this cation is sodium. The cations are always the name of the element. The name of this anion is nitrate, so it's simply sodium nitrate. Going across the screen here, the name of this cation here is barium. The name of this anion is carbonate. So the name of the compound is simply barium carbonate. Going down to the next one, the name of this cation is potassium. The name of this anion is sulfate. Now again, do you have to have all these names memorized as well? No, because on the test, you'll be able to have a list of polyatomic ions that gives you the formula and the charges. All right? Going over to this next one, the name of this cation. We have a transition metal here, so you're going to have to use a Roman numeral. Iron can have multiple charges. In this case, it's a 3+, so we call this iron 3. The name of that anion is chlorate. So the name of the compound is iron 3 chlorate. Moving on down to the Cu3 PO4 in parentheses 2. This one looks like it's very complicated, but it isn't. You go back to the exact same method of naming it. The name of that cation is copper 2. Copper is a transition metal, so you need the Roman numeral to tell you the charge. So it's copper 2. The name of this anion is phosphate. So the name of the compound is simply copper 2 phosphate. Moving across, the name of this cation is ammonium. The name of this anion is chloride. So the name of the compound, ammonium chloride. Moving down, the name of that cation is still ammonium. The name of that anion is nitrate. So the name of the compound, NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate. And finally, with NH4 in parentheses 2, CO3, we have ammonium carbonate. Name of that anion is carbonate. Alright, so again, no rules have changed. Cation name, anion name, that is it. In the next podcast, as we scroll down here, just to give you a preview, in the next podcast we're going to show you how you can take the names of the compounds and write out the formulas. We'll see you back in just a few minutes.